when you're watching this, at the moment, no one is allowed to travel. But that doesn't mean you can't enjoy some of the luxuries of travel in your own home. Let's start with the bed. One thing that all good hotels do is use white bedding. White sheets, white pillowcases, white towels, the works. We like white because there's no way to hide grime or stains on white. When you walk into your hotel room and see this white bedding, it looks clean to you, as it should. Also, we've come to psychologically associate white bedding with luxury. The downside, of course, is that it's difficult to maintain that crisp whiteness. You're going to have to wash your sheets in a lot of bleach, which we know does wear them out faster. I live in a part of the country with hard water, so anything that I own that's white soon becomes a shade of gray. So I've just skipped a step and I buy gray bedding. It's a good thing that gray is very trendy right now. So white bedding is optional. Another thing to do is to tuck in the sheets just like a hotel would. My mother called these hospital corners, but I prefer to rebrand them as hotel corners. It sounds better. This also works if you don't have a traditional fitted sheet. You know, the kind of sheet with elastic around the edges. You can actually use a flat sheet as your first sheet. You can use this hotel corner on your bottom sheet, your top sheet, or both. If you have a thin blanket, you can create a hotel corner with both your top sheet and your blanket together. Now, if you really want your bed to look like a hotel bed, then try triple sheeting. You'll need 3 sheets, either 2 flat and 1 fitted, or 3 flat. Start at the bottom, place either your fitted sheet or a flat sheet using hotel corners. Next, your top sheet, then place blankets or a single duvet or comforter. Keep in mind that the thicker your blankets, the more difficult this is going to be, but that's okay. Finally, at the very top, place the final 3rd sheet. Use the hotel corners that you've just learned to secure it around the blankets and duvet underneath it. This is your new bedspread. Easy to change out, completely washable. As an added bonus, you don't need a conventional duvet cover. Wresting a duvet out of its cover is no easy task. In fact, there are lots of videos on YouTube on just how to do it. As a result, we probably don't wash that duvet cover as often as we should. But with triple sheeting, you just simply wash all your sheets together. Many hotels will give you a large selection of pillows on the bed. Now, I have no problem with pillows that stay on the bed. Sure, you might want one kind of pillow to lay your head on when you go to sleep, and a different kind of pillow to sit up and read or watch television. So I'm fine with having lots of different pillows as long as they stay on the bed. However, a lot of people like these things called throw pillows, which, as the name implied, get thrown. They usually end up on the floor. However, I can get behind having a nice throw blanket on top, either a quilt or something fuzzy and attractive. And don't forget the little extras on the nightstand. So have you made your bed look beautiful? If you'd like to learn more, see the links in the description below. And as always, like, subscribe, and click that bell for notifications. Good night.